I heard a robin this morning, I'm feeling happy today. Gonna pack my cares in a whistle and blow them all away.
Welcome to 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten Storytime. I'm Lisa Springer, Children's Librarian at the Kate Waller Barrett branch of the Alexandria Library, and here's my friend Allie Gator. Say hi, Allie. Allie wants to remind you that you can get a paper 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten kit with Allie's picture on it at any of our branches, or you can go on our website and sign up for 1,000 books there. Either way, the books that we read here count towards your 1,000 book list. The books that you're reading at home count towards your 1,000 book list. And the books that you're rereading at home count toward your 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten list. And we hope that some of those books at your house are from our library. Do you have something to show everybody today, Allie? You want to tell them what our program's about? Open up your mouth. Ooh. Oh, I see what Allie has in Allie's mouth today. Oh, pretty. Look what's in Allie's mouth. You want to show them, Allie? Yeah, flowers. Daffodils. Of course, these aren't real daffodils, but the real daffodils are blooming right now outside. It's spring. So I think today that means we should have some stories about spring. Do you think so? Yeah, I do too. Okay, everybody, time to celebrate spring. This is part of a favorite series of mine. They were written by Anne Rockwell and illustrated by her husband Harlow and later by her daughter Lizzie. And I think that's Lizzie, the little red-headed girl in the pictures. There's one for each season. This one's called My Spring Robin. My Spring Robin by Anne Rockwell. Pictures by Harlow Rockwell and Lizzie Rockwell. A robin sang a song to me every day last summer. I liked that robin. But in the fall, my robin flew away. My father said it would come back in the spring. So when spring came, see what the calendar says? March. That's spring. I went looking for my spring robin. I saw a bee taking honey from a crocus, but I didn't see my robin. Actually, that bee is taking pollen, not honey, but it'll make honey out of it. I saw a tiny toad. It hopped behind a clump of daffodils to hide from me. I looked high in the sky to see if my robin was flying back to me. Drops of rain fell on my face, and our neighbor's cat ran home. Yeah, cats don't like the rain, do they? After the shower, I picked a little bunch of purple violets for my mother, and I watched a shiny earthworm wiggle up out of the ground. See if you can find the worm. Do you see the worm? Yeah, it's all the way down at the bottom of the page. Violets grow wild around here. You might see them in the woods. You might even see them in your own front yard like I do. And then I heard it. I heard that song. Cheer up, cheerily. Cheer up, cheerily. Cheer up, cheerily. And I knew who was singing that song. It was My Spring Robin. You know, the Rockwells lived, I think, in Vermont or New Hampshire, somewhere where it gets very, very, very cold in the winter, and the robins really do go away. But in our area, sometimes you see robins all winter long, and you can especially watch for them after it rains. They love to look for worms in the soft ground, and you can look for them wherever there's water. I have a bird bath in my backyard, and they don't come to eat the bird seed I've put out, but they love taking a nice cool drink of water. This is My Spring Robin by Anne, Harlow, and Lizzie Rockwell. There are 3 other books in this series: At the Beach, Apples and Pumpkins, and The First Snowfall. And I love all of them, and we have them all at the Alexandria Library. You know, spring is the time of the year when a lot of animals who've been doing a lot of sleeping wake up and come out and play. So we're going to sing the Sleeping Bunnies game. I want you to get down on the floor. Pretend you're a little bunny curled up and asleep, and wait. Wake up now. When you hear me sing that, it's your time to get up and hop. Are you ready? Shh. Bunnies are sleeping. See the little bunnies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Come and let us wake them gently with a merry tune. Oh, so still are they ill? Wake up now. Hop! Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. 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 Hop, hop, hop. How about a bird like our spring robin? What are you going to do for that? Could you flap your wings? Yeah. Go to sleep in your nest and then wake up and flap your wings. See the little birdies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Come and let us wake them gently with a merry tune. Oh, so still are they ill? Wake up now and flap. Flap, little birdies, flap, flap, 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 any animal you want in this, but I think we'll do frogs today. Frogs are green, so I think make me think of spring, and they're hopping all over the place in the woods right now. And in the ponds, of course, too. Watch for them. Can you be a frog? Curl up real small, and you're going to jump like a frog. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. See the little froggies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Come and let us wake them gently with a merry tune. Oh, so still are they ill. Wake up now and jump. Jump, little froggies, jump, jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump, jump. You know, you can do any other animals you want in that song. So think about the other animals that you'd like to pretend to be today. Good job, everybody. You might know Kevin Hanks already. He is best known for Julius, the Baby of the World, and his other books about Lily and her cowboy boots and her purple plastic purse. But in recent times, he's done a lot of books about nature. He won the Caldecott Award for Kitten's First Full Moon, and this is part of a series that he's done with his wife, Laura Dronzek, about the seasons. This one's called When Spring Comes. And I have it here in the board book version because that's easier for me to handle on camera, but we do have it as a full hardcover at the library. When Spring Comes, by Kevin Hanks, illustrations by Laura Dronzek. Before spring comes, the trees look like black sticks against the sky. Except for those bright red things in it. Do you know what those are? Cardinals. Yeah, they're really easy to spot, especially in the winter. But if you wait, spring will bring leaves and blossoms. And I see somebody under those blossoms, do you? Yeah, bunnies. I see bunnies in the spring. If you wait, spring will make the leftover mounds of snow get smaller and smaller and smaller until finally they're gone. Before spring, the grass is brown. But if you wait, spring will turn the grass green and add little flowers. If you wait, an egg will become a bird and a seed will start growing. Spring comes with sun and it comes with rain and more rain and more rain. But look, do you see what happened? There's Mama Bird. She built a little nest. She sat on her eggs. And now look, she has baby birds to feed with lots of worms. Do you like mud? Do you like puddles? I hope you like umbrellas. It can get very rainy and muddy this time of the year. Before spring comes, the garden will be just dirt and empty. But if you wait, spring will push up green shoots through the dirt to fill up the garden. Yeah, lots of greens for the bunnies to eat. And spring will call out the pussy willows and new kittens too. Those white things on the plants look kind of like kitten toes. They're pussy willow plants. You'll see them a lot in the spring. Little white kittens. They're so cute. Spring can come quickly or slowly. It changes its mind a lot. But when spring is finally here to stay, you will know it. There will be buds and bees and boots and bubbles. Oh, that looks like fun, doesn't it? There will be worms and wings and winds and wheels. Yeah, bicycles. And yeah, there are worms in that dirt, all right. wind blow your kite. You will feel it. You will smell it. You will hear it. When spring is here, you will think that you are finally done waiting. But you are not. Now you have to wait for summer. This is When Spring Comes by Kevin Hanks, and just like My Spring Robin, it's part of a 4-book cycle about the seasons. And we have all 4 at the Alexandria Library. It's time to say goodbye, Allie. No, I know you don't like saying goodbye, but it'll be fun when we get to say hello again next time, won't it? We hope we'll be seeing you again here soon on YouTube, and better still, we hope we'll be seeing you at the library. This is beautiful spring weather, and it's the perfect time to come to the library and get a big pile of books for your 1,000-book list. Say, see you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Bye. We love you. Thank you for watching. Bye.
When the red, red robin comes bobbing along. When the red, red robin comes bobbing along. When the red, red robin comes bobbing. When the red, red robin comes bobbing